Look at, look at him. Look at it. Look at. He's taking a video. Daddy phone?
Daddy phone. Cut wrong.
There you go. So you put the video, okay?
Bye. Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog. You currently join us at Haymarket station. So it was a bit of a hassle at the start of which meant to be the start of the clip because I was just walking. Yeah, I was just walking with Michael and Roberta at Michael's house. Then walked down to get the bus. It was a Route 26. It was bus 44, the Penguin bus. We got that to here, and now we're waiting for the 11:49 ScotRail Express service to Glasgow Queen Street via Falkirk because we missed the 11:21. So yeah, we're just gonna wait here until it arrives. You just saw 397001 just departing out on the 11:33 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Airport to Edinburgh Waverley. We've also got a 158 arriving in. Yeah, there's a 158 arriving in. It's the 11:35 ScotRail service from Cowdenbeath to Edinburgh Waverley. 158 730 is at the front. And there's also a HST on platform 2 working the 11:35 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Aberdeen. I'll get the rear of this 158 on departure. But there goes the 11:35 ScotRail service to Aberdeen from Edinburgh Waverley, which is about to depart. So hopefully the class 43 is going to depart soon. Looks like it's about to start its engine, but I'm not sure. The lady's just blowing a whistle. Oh, it's going. I couldn't get the front, but hopefully I can get the rear. The rear is 43. 102, I think. Couldn't really guess it. Yeah, it was 43102 that was at the rear. Off goes 158730 and another 158 on the 11:35 ScotRail service from Cowdenbeath to Edinburgh Waverley. The rear is 158731. There goes 158730 and 158731. Off they go to Edinburgh Waverley from Cowdenbeath. Arriving in now is the 11:38 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Dunblane. It works by 35048 on its own. I was actually on the exact 11:38 train from here heading to Glasgow with some friends, but it wasn't 35048, it was 35014, and it's 3 carriages, and it's 3 carriages, it's the exact same. Happily, there's no bras on that hill. But anyways, today's episode is another vlog, and we're going to Glasgow today to get the 11:49 train. We're just waiting on the bridge, and Michael and Roberta are joining me as well for this vlog. Off goes 385048 to Dunblane from Edinburgh Waverley. Off it goes. Just there. Away to the distance. Next up for that one's Edinburgh Park. We've got our HST set on platform 0. Don't know what that's doing, but you can see there's an Edinburgh tram down there. That's just turning in from us, booking a service. Oh! Rushing over to see this 158. Couldn't even see the first number. Hopefully I can get it the other side if I'm quick enough. Because I have to be so quick with these trains. So, hopefully I do get the view. No, it's just stopped in the middle of the bridge. So that means I can't get it. I'll have to wait until this train departs. And today's much sunnier than Friday when I did the first part of our Edinburgh tram adventure between Edinburgh Airport and Edinburgh Park Central. Next part is between Edinburgh Park Station and Murrayfield. Off goes the 11:39 ScotRail service to Perth from Edinburgh Waverley. One 58717's at the front. And 158704 is at the rear. And there goes that train, off it goes to Perth. Next stop for that one's South Gyle. About to arrive now is the 11:43 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Helsborough Central. Works by, I believe, 2 Class 334s. Not done a vlog in a while. 334034 is at the front. Yeah, it's a double variant. Going in very, very slowly to the station. And I'll get the rear on departure. And here it is just arriving. Arriving in now is the 11:44 ScotRail service, I believe, from Glasgow Central to Edinburgh Waverley. 385016 is at the front.
Was that train leaving platform 0?
Yes, that's the 243s. And freight 5043 is at the rear. And there's that train. Off goes the 11:43 ScotRail service to Helsborough Central from Edinburgh Waverley. Works by 334034 and 334029.
We're down a wee minute away.
Yep, and off it goes.
Go on then.
Off goes the 11:44 ScotRail service to Edinburgh Waverley from Glasgow Central. 35043 is at the rear, and I've forgotten what's at the front. Was that train away to the distance? We're now on platform 4 now to wait for 11:49 ScotRail Express service to Glasgow Queen Street via Falkirk High, calling at Lithgow Pullman's Falkirk High shortly Glasgow Queen Street. There is a fast train coming. It's a Class 43 coming from Edinburgh Waverley to Haymarket Depot, I believe. Just passing through now. 43141's at the front. I think it's going to stop for a wee minute.
They don't have usually any bins. I've never seen a bin.
There's bins on the train, Roberta.
Terrorism.
And then it is just stopping, it looks like. It's going very, very slow, like usual, because it's a red signal up there. So it's probably going to stop until it turns amber. Yeah, it stopped. Arriving in now is the 11:48 ScotRail service from Perth to Edinburgh Waverley. It's works by 158736. And 43141 is hopefully going to depart with the other 43 on an ECS from Edinburgh Waverley to Haymarket Depot, and there arrives 158736 on platform 1. Just there. Yeah, I can see our train already arriving, but 43141 is departing with the other 43 to Haymarket Depot. And here comes our 11:49 ScotRail Express service to Glasgow Queen Street. 43144 brings up the rear. Just there. Anyways, here arrives our ScotRail Express train for Glasgow Queen Street from Edinburgh Waverley.
Is the 11:49 service to Glasgow Queen Street.
385-107 is at the front. There's tables way at the front, so I think we'll go for them. We'll see you when we're on board in the next